This film demonstrates the correct procedure for installing a cold-applied low-voltage cable joint. Follow each step precisely to ensure a safe, durable, and reliable connection. Step 1. Cable preparation. Prepare the cable exactly as shown. Fold back the Armour over outer sheath. Form a wedge using black mastic tape and place it firmly into the cable crutch. Strip the core insulation to half the ferrule length, plus 5 mm on both sides. Step 2. Ferrule crimping. Slide the ferrules onto each core and crimp them securely. File off any sharp edges to protect the insulation. Step 3. Clean and apply mastic. Clean the ferrules and core insulation with cleaning solvent. Apply black insulating mastic with a 50% overlap across the ferrule area. Step 4. Polyestix application. Remove the release paper from the Polyestix tape. Wrap 2 layers over the ferrule zone, extending 50 mm onto both sides of the core insulation. Step 5. Core separator. Position the core separator centrally between the cores. Press the cores firmly against its sides. Step 6. Mastic on inner sheath. Apply black mastic over the inner sheath on both sides, stretching the tape as you apply. Step 7. Self-amalgamating waterproof tape. Wrap a single stretched layer of self-amalgamating waterproof tape across the joint with a 50% overlap, from one inner sheath cut to the other inner sheath. Step 8. Earth-Braid and Armour clamp. Lay the earth braid across the joint and secure it with the Armour clamp. Apply the black mastic over the clamp. Clean and degrease the outer sheath ends for at least 150 mm. Step 9. Mastic over Armour area. Apply black mastic from the outer sheath to the inner sheath edge, covering the Armour on both sides. Stretch the mastic to ensure proper sealing. Step 10. Armour tape procedure. Preparation. Clean and degrease 100 mm of the outer sheath on each side. Activation. Wear gloves and open the pouch along the V-notch. Add water to soak the Armour tape. Knead 3 to 5 times. Wait 15 seconds and drain. Wrapping. Wrap the tape helically with 60% overlap, outer layer facing downward. Avoid twisting the tape. Allow it to harden before any mechanical load. Final set. Let the joint rest for 15 minutes before charging. Your cold-applied joint is now complete, sealed, reinforced, and ready for service.